Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check and fix the system file errors in your computer. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, go to search bar and type in for CMD. Now, right click on the result and click run as administrator. Now inside the CMD, type in the following commands: sfc/verifyonly and then press enter. This process is required if you don't want to make the changes directly. And in this step, the CMD will check for the file errors and it will tell you that if the changes is necessary or not. And you can proceed to the next step after completion of this step. So let me fast forward this step to the next step. So, if you don't have any problem, the CMD will notify you with this line: Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. And in this case, you can just close the command prompt, but if you get any errors, then you can proceed to the next step. The next step is you need to type in the following command: sfc/scannow scannow. Then press enter. Now this process will begin the system scan and fix the errors that are inside your system files. When the process is complete, it will notify you and I will fast forward this process as well. So in this case, it did not find any integrity violations, but your case might be different and the command prompt will easily fix the problem. So I hope this works for you, and this much for today guys. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.